Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks to tackle question 1B of comprehension paper. The first tip is don't rush and read the questions carefully because you are sitting in exam. Look out for the keywords like advantages, disadvantages, factors because these words will help you respond accurately in exams. Remember, one question can wear several masks, so the trick here is to stay sharp. Here I'm giving you a useful tip. Use modal verbs to indicate possibilities. Use comparatives when you have to compare options. And use superlatives when you are expressing your judgment. For example, look at the question, explain 4 advantages if Sandrine Jonas were to be selected to fill the vacancy. You are going to indicate all the possibilities here. So you need modal verbs. For example, if you say Sandrine Jonas has worked just for one company, this is some information that you have selected from the given text, but it needs some development. So how would you develop your point? You can say working for just one organization may indicate her loyalty towards that organization. So here you are using modal verbs. If you say Sandrine Jonas has 12 years of working experience, you can develop that point by saying that it could help her adapt more easily. It means you're using modal verbs here to show all the possibilities. Now look at this question. Explain 3 factors that might make Sandro choose Lemony Books. If there are 2 options for you to choose or compare, you use comparatives. If we say Lemony Books is a larger company, then Sandro book is said to be bestseller worldwide, and Sandro might be possible he would earn more royalties. Lemony Books is offering him a bigger advance. It means he would be able to buy a flat. So we use comparatives when we compare options. Stay tuned for more comprehension questions from English General Paper.